Hello everyone. Today's date is 13 January 2022. I am Amol Ankush Wagmode. Today I have discussed topic of compiler, interpreter and assembler in Java. So first we will discuss compiler. A compiler takes the source code as a whole to translate it into object code all in one go. Once converted, the object code can be run at any time. This process is called compilation. All the objects files used in program must be combined before the program can be run. This is done using linker tool, which takes one or more objects and groups them into single executable or a library. Compiler have several advantages. First one, compiled programs run quickly since they have already been translated. Second, a compiled program can be supplied as an executable file. An executable file is a file that is ready to run. Since this file cannot be easily modified, programmers prefer to supply executable rather than source codes. Compiler optimize the code. Optimized code can run quicker and takes up less memory space. Compiler have several disadvantages. Because of source code is translated as a whole, there must be enough memory space to hold source codes, the compiler and generated object. There also needs to temporary working space compiler to perform translate. Modern system either have enough memory or use virtual memory to hold all the data. Compiler do not usually spot error. The source code must be recompiled every time programmer changes the program. Source code compiler one platform will not run on another. The object code is specific to processor architecture. Then second one is interpreter. An interpreter translates source code into object code one instructed at a time. It is similar to human translating what a person says into another language sentence by sentence. The resulting object code is then executed immediately. The process is called interpretation. There are some advantages. First one is instructions are executed as soon as they are translated. Since instructions are executed once translated, they are not stored in later use. Errors can be spotted quickly. Once an error is found, the program stops running and the user had notified which part of program the interpretation has failed. This makes interpreter extremely useful when developing a program. Disadvantages. First one, interpreted programs run more slowly. The processor has to wait for each instruction to be translated before it can be executed. Additionally, the program has to be translated every time it is run. Interpreter do not produce an executable file that can be distributed. As a result, source code program has to be supplied and this could be modified without permission. Then third one, assembler. Assembler are a third type of translator. The purpose of assembler is to translate assembly language into object code, whereas compiler and interpreter generate many machine code instructions for each high level instruction. Assembler create one machine code for each assembly instruction. Assembler are a language process. Assembler are a language processor. Assembler is a system software that converts assembly level program to machine level code. Assembly levels program in which program writing the program called source code and assemble will convert into object. Advantages of assembler. Assembler are needed to increase the efficiency of the programmer. That means if you want to tell computer add to entry, then whole instruction need to add in string of 0s and 1s. So add to write like 101 like this, will represent like 00 and will return as 01. Obviously this will take lots of time, so assembly level program is used, the programmer instead of machine level program. So this all about today's topic. Thank you.